talk law Venn diagrams. Now, you can use him Venn diagrams to express him set. Now, only something in Venn diagram. Now, Venn diagram M involving a rectangle that is universal set. Now, M including circles where this level circles. Example A and B. M set. Tingin lo video blow notation of sets. You can go back to the playlist, find him information lo this la. A circle you use him to represent him set. So here M set A, M set B. This one M universal set. Okay, let me give you one play example. Given that the universal set is equal to the set 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 all the way to 8. Set A is the set having elements 2, 4, and 5. Now set B elements you got them 1, 2, 5, and 7. Lo represent him this level sets inside the Venn diagram. E, that's the universal set. But we got him all numbers 1 all the way to 8. But inside the Venn diagram, you got him set A and set B. Set A, 2, 4, and 5. But before you may write him, all elements you go inside law, all circles. You must look law. It's la 2 plus set. Now find him out. One all elements where you can find him set A and set B past time. Because by your writing go inside law this up, which is representing intersection plus set A and set B. So you may get an element 2 here common, element 5 here common. So 2 and 5 but must go inside law here. 4 and set B you may get him 1 7. Inside law universal set you may get him now outside law sets where you may representing penis inside law all circles A and B, which is A set A and B set B. You may get him number 3, number 6, and number 8, where you find him outside. So M, how you may represent him? Set A, set B, the universal set using Venn diagram. Now apply example. Given that universal set is equals to the set PQRST na U, set C is equals to the set having elements P, T, U, and set D you got them all elements R na S. Now by me representing using Venn diagram. First thing first, a Venn diagram, and you may represent them starting one plan a rectangle. That is the universal set. Now you may look all elements. Now first thing, find him. Suppose you got all elements where it common inside law. This is like 2 plus set. So you look in here, you know got elements in common. Also in previous example. So we're representing this little Venn diagram now. That means it's like 2 plus set in on up. 2 plus set in on up intersect or some previous example. Previous example, you got intersection 1 and 3 and common. Here, there is no common elements. So, in denoting this line set C, you may label this line set D. So, R, S, P, T, D na U. So one of the elements stop inside of this tubular set now, according to the universal set, M, Q now, I go stop outside. So you may get set C, set D. So you look in, all get the elements here is defined in the universal set, yeah. But inside the set C, you may get P, T, U, na D, you may get R, na S. Now apply example. Now by you may represent them this sets where universal set M5, 10, 15, 20, 25. Set B 5 na 10 na set Q M5, 10, 15 na 20. Now you may look good at this tubular set. You look at them. Set P, you got them all elements where you find them inside the set Q. So set P where you may talk same M proper subset of set Q. Now by you may represent them using Venn diagram. First thing, rectangle, universal set. Now by you may get them set P na set Q. But you looking at some set P elements by set P, you find them inside the set Q. So that means that you may draw in sets B and by local same. 5 na 10, then you find them inside the set P na 5 na 10 to you part of set Q. 15 na 20, M na replatable elements na outside now M by 25. So this is how you may represent him. This is set P, set Q, universal set using a Venn diagram. Now by you may look at topic where you may talk complement of a set. Now complement of a set, example, if you may get set A, the complement of set A, and you may say write him also. Okay, that's how you may denote him. Set A, that is like complement of set A. You may look at sample example. Well, before you may go on, look at example, but me representing complement of set A using a Venn diagram. Now suppose me that set A elements where me find them inside the set A. Now complement of A elements where in no part of set A, or you make into same elements where I'm stop outside the universal set. So these all elements where you find outside. So how you may represent them complement of A using Venn diagram. Now set A elements inside here, complement of A outside in the universal set. Okay, you will look example now. Example, if the universal set is equals to the set 3, 4, 5, 7, 9, and set A and 4, 7, and 9, find A complement. So using Venn diagram by helping me. Now set A, you get him element 4, 7, and 9. So inside the universal set, you may get 3 and 5 is step outside the set A. So 3 and 5 now, M, A complement. Elements not found in A, M, you may talk, A complement.